Hello everyone, we're now here with Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide candidate.
Hi, I'm Nico Nackerts, 27 years old from the province of Rizal.
Nico, of course, we've known you back in 2023
Yeah.
because you joined other pageants. So ano yung kaibahan nun sa pageant mo before and pageant mo ngayon?
I would say the difference is, noong 2023, I was not prepared going into it. Like, pumasok ako na hindi ko alam kung ano yung mangyayari sa pageant. Pumasok ako, hindi ko alam 3 months pala mangyayari yung pageant, tapos kailangan na ganito, ganito, ganyan. Pero thankfully, ang pinaka-lesson ko doon is hindi ako babalik kung hindi sponsored lahat. So, ngayon na pinagpala ng Diyos, sponsored lahat, bumalik ako. Like, I'm very thankful. I'm going into this now with everything, with the team behind me, with clothes behind me, a hairstylist. So, like, I'm prepared right now. I just have to be me on stage.
Yeah, and you're under Aces and Queens, right?
For this one, yeah.
Okay. So how's your feeling competing against these big names here in this edition?
They're friends to me. So I think I don't see them as big. I see them as equals. You know, they're very friendly. We're friends. We know each other from before. We've competed. I don't like the word competing kasi parang hindi siya competition eh. When you're in there, you're just enjoying it. You know, just making friends with everyone. And we're all friends, yeah. It's good to be back with them, actually.
Yeah, syempre. And what is your target title?
Everybody keeps saying that I look good for Supranational. So I think that's what I'm going for. Yeah.
Okay, so last message sa mga followers, supporters, and viewers.
To my followers, supporters, family, friends, please support me in this year's journey in Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide. This is going to be my last one, so like I'm gonna end this with a bang.
Of course. Again, guys, Nico Nackerts, Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide. Thank you, Nico.
Thank you.
Good luck, good luck, good luck.